and it goes like la 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 la. Oh, I got something to show ya. La 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 la. Oh, I got something to blow your mind. Won't believe your eyes. That's right.
So finally the day is here. The day that I've been waiting for a long time. Yes, I moved to a different country. A country that is so far from where I was born. A country that is itself a paradise and not less than heaven. A country that is known for its pink sand beaches. It is a moment of dreams come true for me. And I really want to share the new phase of my life with the world. This journey actually started in December, when I took my first international flight, traveled through London and landed on this beautiful island to start my new life. Experience some beautiful Bermudian traditions like New Year Onion Drop, where everyone was dancing and pouring their hearts out. Also, I got to witness Bermuda boat paradise and my first ever experience of fireworks. Wow, what can I say about it? I fell in love with Bermuda more after watching the fireworks. It was truly an amazing experience for me. These big moments which I experienced in my first few weeks made me realize that I am truly in a paradise. And who can forget the beauty of the island? Everywhere you see, it is just so scenic and soothing. People often say that sunsets in Bermuda are just delight to watch. But when I got the chance to watch it in person, I was truly mesmerized. You know what tough was that to take such life-changing decisions, pack your bags and move away from your family and loved ones. But trust me, some decisions are worth taking. So here I am starting my new life, where I am going to explore and experience a lot of new things. You know what? A lot of new things are coming in next few months. So just stay tuned and join me in my journey, where I am going to share my life and travel updates. But till then, bye bye, I'll see you in the next video.